Do you know those looks you get when you pull up in front of a nightclub in a brand new convertible? Or how about when you strut across the room wearing perfectly fitted jeans? Well, those are the same looks you're going to get when you bring these cookies to your company potluck. Today, we're making the ridiculously delicious Flourless peanut butter cookie. For a full list of ingredients and their amounts, check the description. We're going to start by cracking 2 extra large eggs into a bowl. Remember to always use free-range organic if possible. Then add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then mix that up thoroughly so we can get ready for our dry ingredients. In a larger bowl, we're going to add 2 cups super chunky peanut butter. Any brand will work as long as it's not that kind you have to stir. 2 cups packed brown sugar, and then mix those 2 ingredients together. I just want to take a moment to give a shout out to all the grannies out there with baker's biceps, because baking ain't easy. Then we combine the wet and dry ingredients, and I'm already getting excited because we're getting close. If you've never had these, you just don't understand. Not only are they the most delicious cookies you've ever eaten, but because they have no flour, they're an anti-glutenites wet dream. And the final ingredient, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Are you one of those folks that likes to eat the cookie dough right out of the bowl? If so, don't forget to let us know in the comments. I'm using an ungreased foil-lined cookie sheet, and with a teaspoon from your silverware drawer, make 1.5 to 2 inch balls of dough and place them about 2 inches apart. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 and then set your timer for 10 minutes, because that's all it takes. Those smell amazing. The fact that these cookies are gluten-free makes them arguably healthier, but then again, pointing that out is kind of like mentioning how smart Scarlett Johansson or Brad Pitt is. It may be true, but when something is so delicious, does the other really matter? Now, the only thing missing here is a tall glass of ice-cold milk. There it is. Whether you're going to the company potluck or picking up a date in that shiny new convertible, nothing will get you attention like a warm batch of these cookies. But just a quick warning, don't eat too many by yourself or you may end up having trouble fitting into those jeans we were talking about. Thanks for watching.